What's up, friends? We are here in the old quarter in Hanoi, and I come to show you basically Hanoi train streets. Now I'll try and cross the road. Hanoi train street is basically a street which is alongside the railway lines, but the government have closed it down recently. It's down this area here where they've got like bars and cafes and all sorts of things, and down this area here, but the government have closed it off now. You can see all the tourists. So they used to have cafes alongside it. I'll give you a bit more of a closer look. So here you can see the sign, police stop. So basically foreigners would come here, and along this side and along that side they'll have like seats, cafes, so you could like basically sit right next to the train when it drives past. But what some foreigners were doing was they were lying on the railway tracks while the train was actually coming, and the train had to actually stop, so it was quite dangerous. So now the police have decided to block this off, Hanoi train street, so people are just getting photos and selfies here now. That's all it is pretty much. And so it's not really Hanoi train street anymore, it's like a dead end street now. But when it was going, it was pretty good. I came here a couple of times, but I didn't vlog it, but that's all good. So you've got cafes down here and also cafes down that end as well. But because the police have blocked it off, a lot of the businesses here have closed down. Some of the locals are really upset because they've lost business, but at the end of the day, I think the local government are really concerned about foreigners' health and safety, so that's one of the reasons why they had to close it down, especially some of the young ones who come semi-drunk or even drunk fully and lie across the railway lines while the train is just about to hit them. So the train a few times has stopped, and unfortunately I've had to close this area down. But you can still come here, grab selfies like these. People are right over here in the HANOI'S, which is traditional Vietnam women's dress. And you've got a couple of more over there as well. And also along here you'll find different shops that sell all sorts of tourist stuff. I'll give you a bit of a look. You've got lights and lamps and all sorts of different various things that you can buy all along this area here. So it was really set up for the tourists, but now it's not anymore because of the closure, which is all good. People will still come here, and I guess they'll get photos anyway, irregardless. So it's the way it is here. But you can basically check out Hanoi train street anytime you want to come here, but you can't go on the railway line tracks. And this is the other end of Hanoi train street, and they've got police here guarding this area to make sure that foreigners don't come on the tracks and take photos. Very much so. Yeah, I'll give you a hand. I'll give you a hand here. Okay, give me one pumpkin. Nah, it's okay. Got to have fun with the locals, help them out. But yeah, Hanoi train street. I know it doesn't look like much, but to the locals here, it was like a business draw where tourists would flock here, and people and the local people will set up cafes, restaurants, and they'll make, you know, their living. But now they're all closed pretty much.